Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at ways to make the OnePlus phone feel more like an iPhone using navigation gestures.
Oh yeah.
So if we're coming from iPhone, what we're used to is using that as navigation gestures. I'm not sure if that's what it's called on iPhone, but that's what it's called on OnePlus. So what navigation gestures is it's a feature on that full screen display in the iPhone 10 and the iPhone 11. What you're looking at is when you get into an application, instead of using that home button, you're going to swipe up and get out of that. And then if you want to get into your task manager or like your recent applications, you swipe up and then you can close them out that way. Alright, and as you can see on the OnePlus, out of the box or without making any changes to the phone, you have that navigation bar. So you have the back button right here on the left, middle button is going to be that home button. So if you're in an app, you click that, go to the home, and then you have your recent applications. If you want it to feel like that iPhone, all you have to do is go to the settings. So let's get to the settings here. And you want to go to buttons and gestures, click on that. Then we're going to go under navigation bar and gestures. Here we can see it's currently selected as the back, home, and recents. So that's the navigation bar. What we want to switch it to is navigation gestures, the bottom feature. And that's going to make it feel most like the iPhone that we're going for right now. So what we want to do now is it's letting us know if we want to go back, you're going to swipe from not the middle, but to the side of the middle. The home is going to be a swipe from the middle, kind of with the iPhone. Recent applications is going to be like the iPhone as well. You're going to slide from the bottom and hold it in the middle. Switch between apps is going to be like up to the side. That's not as easy as it looks. So I'm not sure if that feature is going to be something to use. I'm not really sure how to use landscape, so I'm not going to show you guys that. So now that we have that in there, we're going to pull up the application. We're going to show you. So you're going to see you have a little bit more room on the bottom there. So that's something that you have when you get rid of the navigation bar. And all you do is you swipe from the bottom and swipe out that application. If you want to, I'm going to give that a try. If you want to go back, so say you go into a video, let's just go into any old video, and you want to go back, you swipe the side, and that's how you go back there. If you want to go and open up your recent applications, you're going to go and hold into the middle and then let go. And from here, this is cool. iPhone doesn't have this, but you can close all your apps. I'm not sure if iPhone does have it. I haven't seen it. So if it does, let me know in the comments, and I'll be for sure to use that in the future there. And then what was the other one we were looking at? Oh, so switching between apps. So you go like this and then over. We don't have recent apps, so let's open a couple apps up real quick and try that. Huh, didn't work as bad as I thought it was. Or worked better than I thought it was going to, so. That is that. So if you're a fan of this, let me know in the bottom. Give it a try for a couple days and then come back to the video and let me know if you do think this feels a little bit nicer. I'm a big fan of it. I go in between phones so I don't have to, relearn the phone, relearn that navigation bar. And also having this full screen display, you have a little bit more to work with, so that's pretty nice. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. This week, I also want you to leave a comment down below on what you prefer, the navigation bar or the navigation gestures.